Introducing the world's ultimate multi-purpose detector. Incorrect search in mode 1. While sweeping the coil to left and right directions, the ends of the coil should not move upwards.
Yukarı doğru hareket etmemelidir. Arama esnasında
You should not keep the coil too close to or too distant from the ground during the search.
yukarıda olmamalıdır.
The position of your body should not create an obstacle for the search.
Aramamızı engelleyecek şekilde olmamalıdır.
Correct search in mode 1. During the search, the distance between the ground and the coil should be around 10 centimeters, and the coil should be parallel to the ground.
Paralel bir şekilde durmalıdır. Vücudumuz dik.
You should keep your body upright. The coil should be kept in a parallel position while sweeping the ground during the search.
Yere paralel olmalıdır.
www.macrodetector.com